Am I the a-hole for showing my missing eye to the new teacher after he told me my bangs are disrespectful? When I was a baby, I had an accident that caused me to lose my left eye. I don't have an eye socket where a prosthetic could go. It's just regular skin, and some scars across a large part of my face from a reconstructive surgery I had later. The right side and the bottom half of my face are completely normal. I have big side bangs that hide the left side of my face so I don't freak anyone out and I don't get weird looks. I've been going to the same school since I was 5, so the teachers and the kids know about it. We got a new teacher this week. He started by asking us to go around and introduce ourselves. When it got to me, he was rude and asked me, "Do your parents know you come to school looking like this? It's extremely disrespectful. Fix your bangs. I want to see your face." So I obeyed and tucked my bangs behind my ear, showing the left side of my face. He gasped, his face turned red, my classmates laughed, and he told me that I can let my bangs down. Later that day, my head teacher came to scold me. She told me I was wrong to shock the new teacher and I should have just told him about it. Did I do anything wrong?